Okay, so here's a quick run through on managing users and groups in Werx. We'll start with setting up a group with certain permissions first, then add users. From the home page, navigate to Settings from your profile photo, which is in this area on the top right of the screen. Click Account Settings and then Groups on the left side of the screen. You can see here that this account currently has some existing groups, like Accounting and Texas. This allows us to break users into groups and allows us to help restrict who can see what within the application. So let's just say in this group let's go ahead and we'll call it our Second California group. Let's go ahead and save that. Now you'll see that new group in the list. The importance of having groups will come into play a lot in the time tracking apps and other features. So once you have your group set up, let's go ahead and go to Users by selecting Users on the left side of the screen. We're going to go ahead and add a user. We're going to add John Doe, who is a project manager, with his email address, phone number, and since he's in Texas, we'll just put him in the Texas group. Then we're going to go over here to Permissions. He's going to be a standard user. If we made him an administrator, it's basically just going to give him everything down the board on this screen. In this case, we're just going to make them a standard user. We're going to give them the option to see the dashboard, estimates, and has access to contract projects. Now he can manage the project and do extra work authorizations. We could limit him to just being able to view and manage the project itself. We'll give him access to service projects, access to customers, expenses, and time tracking. When we give him access to time tracking, he can now manage his own time, manage his team's time, and he can approve time cards. Since this guy is a project manager, we probably would give him access to all of that. So we go ahead and hit Save there, and John Doe should end up on our list here. So it's really simple how we add a user and then apply that user to a group, an important step when getting into time tracking. Well, that's it for this tutorial on managing users and groups. Thanks.